Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will be talking about scrap metal art and creative metal furniture and welded decor ideas. In this video, we will explore the world of scrap metal art and showcase some of the most creative and unique metal furniture and welded decor ideas that you can incorporate into your home or office. So, let's get started. Scrap metal art is a form of art that involves using discarded metal pieces to create unique and creative sculptures, furniture, and decor items. This art form has gained popularity in recent years due to its eco-friendliness and the ability to transform waste into something beautiful and functional. One of the most popular applications of scrap metal art is in the creation of metal furniture. From chairs and tables to bookshelves and cabinets, the possibilities are endless. Are you enjoying our collection of scrap metal art and creative metal furniture and welded decor ideas? We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to furniture, scrap metal art can also be used to create unique and creative decor items. If you're interested in creating your own scrap metal art, start small and work your way up to larger projects. Use safety equipment such as gloves and goggles when working with metal. Experiment with different welding techniques and materials. Look for inspiration online or in art galleries. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. Scrap metal wall art is a great way to add some visual interest to your home. You can use a variety of metal pieces to create a piece of art that's both unique and eye-catching. Scrap metal sculptures are a great way to add some personality to your home. You can use a variety of metal pieces to create a sculpture that's truly one of a kind. Scrap metal can also be used to make some really unique lighting fixtures. You can use metal pipes, old car parts, or even scrap metal mesh to create a lamp or chandelier that's sure to turn heads. Before you start your project, gather all of the materials you'll need. There are no rules when it comes to scrap metal art. So let your creativity run wild and see what you can come up with. Scrap metal art is a great way to be creative and upcycle old materials. So relax, have fun, and see what you can create. Scrap metal art is a great way to upcycle old materials. Scrap metal is often discarded as waste, but it can be used to create beautiful and unique pieces of art. This is a great way to reduce waste and give new life to old materials. It's a creative outlet. Scrap metal art is a great way to express your creativity. You can use your imagination to create anything you can think of. This is a great way to relax and de-stress, and it can also be a lot of fun. Scrap metal art is a unique and personal form of art. No two pieces of scrap metal art are the same. This makes it a very unique and personal form of art. You can create something that is truly one of a kind. Scrap metal art is a sustainable form of art. Scrap metal can be recycled endlessly, so it's a very sustainable form of art. This means that you're not contributing to the production of new materials, which is good for the environment. If you're looking for a creative and sustainable way to express yourself, then scrap metal art is a great option. It's a fun and rewarding hobby that can produce beautiful and unique pieces of art. Scrap metal art can be a great way to learn new skills. If you're not already familiar with working with metal, scrap metal art is a great way to learn new skills. You'll need to learn how to weld, cut, and bend metal, and this can be a lot of fun. Scrap metal art can be a great way to meet new people. If you join a scrap metal art group or class, you'll meet other people who share your interest in this form of art. This can be a great way to make new friends and learn from others. It can be a great way to give back to the community. You can donate your scrap metal art to local charities or organizations. This is a great way to give back to your community and make a difference. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrap metal art and creative metal furniture and welded decor ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.